In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Miro, which is an essential skill when working with infinite digital whiteboards. This versatile tool makes it possible to organize and manage your boards, allowing for a clean and structured presentation of ideas. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Miro.com. This is the main website where you'll access your boards and projects. Once there, look for the login button to gain access to your account. Clicking on this will take you to the sign in page where you'll have the option to use your email or your Google account. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to sign in. If you're using an email, go ahead and click on continue with email, enter your credentials and hit next. Now that you're logged in and on your dashboard, you'll see all your existing boards laid out for you. Click on the board where you'd like to manage or add frames. This will bring you to the workspace where all the magic happens. On the left hand side of the Miro interface, you'll notice a toolbar with several options. Here you'll want to locate the frame button. It should resemble a rectangle or picture frame icon. Clicking this opens up your frame options. Once the frame tool is active, you'll be presented with different size options. Choose the size that best suits your needs for the content you're working with. If none of the preset sizes fit, or if your project requires a custom size, you can easily adjust by clicking and dragging the edges of the frame. Feel free to move your frame by simply clicking and dragging it anywhere on the board. This flexibility allows you to perfectly position your frame in relation to other objects on the board. With your frame created and positioned, your next step is to get organized. Click on the frame itself to select it. You'll notice a menu appearing. Find the three dots which signify more options. Within this menu, locate and select the rename option. This is your chance to give your frame a specific name, which is especially helpful when working with multiple frames, as it helps keep your board organized and clutter-free. Choose a name that clearly reflects the content or purpose of this particular section. And there you go. You've successfully set up and named a frame on your Miro board. Whether you're mapping out a project, organizing a brainstorming session, or preparing a presentation, the efficient use of frames can greatly enhance clarity and collaboration on your board. Experiment with different frame sizes and layouts to see what works best for your workflow. Stay creative and organized, and happy framing.